5-minute Jumpstart Your Dreams now.
Hi, I'm Mickey Lee, the R&D Director from Delonix. Delonix is a synthetic biology biotech focusing on next-generation engineered bacteria vaccines. Our vision is to design synthetic biology medicines to tackle worldwide public health challenges. We wish to use this innovative approach to solve the problem in bacterial vaccines that the current technology cannot solve. In that context, we are capable of engineering many pathogens which are not easy to deal with in a regular biological lab or traditional vaccine pharmas. And we have developed 2 innovative vaccine platforms with 6 active pipelines. Currently, we have more than 30 full-time employees with various expertise. So Delonix closed a 14 million Series C financing led by BI and IDG Capital in 2021 and championed BI's first innovation competition in Asia. In the past 2 years, we have continued to win many awards. So the main problem of current bacterial vaccine development is that it remains in an old-fashioned way of using empirical approaches which have obvious limitations. For example, they have very limited selection of protective antigen targets or very complicated and expensive process in manufacturing. And one key challenges in vaccine development is the ability of immune escape in bacteria, which makes it very difficult to have vaccines that actually work. As the antibiotic resistance issue arises, a new technology is urgently needed for bacterial vaccine market. And that's exactly why the vaccine synthetic biology comes into the picture. Synthetic biology combines the discipline of biology and engineering to design and create useful biological systems. Delonix is right at the niche to utilize this system in bacterial vaccines. We have comprehensive toolkits to engineer many pathogens, and we have this unique MOA targeting on bacteria immune checkpoints to tackle the challenge I just mentioned, the ability of immune escape in bacteria. With that, we developed 2 vaccine platforms, ProBvax and BioDvax. So ProBvax is a wholesale vaccine platform. By redesigning the genetic circuits in bacteria, we can directionally transform pathogenic bacteria into useful vaccine products. We are also the first team to use this unique MOA. It's a global innovation breakthrough in bacterial vaccine industry. As you can see, after engineered, the protection of our vaccine product has significantly improved. And on the other hand, we can also transform a pathogen into a bacteria factory that can efficiently produce biomedical products. And this is our BioD platform, a bacteria factory for subunit vaccine products. So based on these 2 different platforms and our unique MOA, we can either develop an innovative vaccine that hasn't been successful before, or upgrading an existing vaccine to improve the next generation vaccine to have a more balanced pipeline strategy to serve both China and global markets. Currently, we have 3 ongoing pipelines for upgrading and 3 pipelines for novel vaccines. And one of our leading pipeline, DX101, is a vaccine product targeting on Staphylococcus aureus. Staph is one of the most notorious antibiotic-resistant pathogens. The diseases it causes have very high prevalence but limited therapies. It also causes huge healthcare burden and has substantial market potential. So with our innovative platform and novel MOA, DX101 shows the best-in-class potential among existing staph vaccines. We also built a very strong team of experts. Our co-founder, Dr. Huang, is the chair professor of synthetic biology in Hong Kong U and one of the leading figures in the field. We also have a few big names on our scientific advisory board. We continue to have a very tight connection with them as company develops. And our management team, including myself, are from worldwide top universities such as Harvard, Berkeley, and Hong Kong U, as well as very famous industry experience in many leading companies. The team is well-rounded with specialized expertise and industry experience. So in the past 2 years, we have achieved many milestones and we are still going strong. We aim to complete pre-A financing this year and head to clinical stage in 2 years. So our headquarters is located in Shanghai, and because we have a very strong tie with Hong Kong U, so we will soon expand our research hub to Hong Kong after this round of financing. So we are a very passionate team full of energy and potential. We hope with our innovative approach, we can provide different solutions and sustainable pipelines to tackle the challenges in bacterial vaccines and even more biomedical products in the future. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And we now open the floor to invite questions from the judges.
Hi, do you have any PK/PD or any basic toxicity data for the preclinical for DX101?
No,
Yeah.
we haven't gone through that stage first. So we have our preclinical data, and then we are on the animal model right now. And then the CMC process will kick off very soon, maybe by the end of this year.
How's the
and
animal?
Then we will go through AD and PD.
Yeah, how's the animal model looking?
It's pretty promising for now.
Okay.
A question about your expansion to Hong Kong that you're planning. What exactly will be done in Hong Kong and or in the GBA? Any specific plans for example, manufacturing, or is that going to be in Shanghai?
Because we position ourselves as a biotech, so we probably will do a lot of CMC with another company, like outsourcing those like real manufacturing process. Our main job is the early discovery and also evaluation, of course. For Hong Kong, we aim to do this for early discovery lab. So we talked with the Science Park a lot, and then hoping that once we have enough funding to hire more people, and then we can open a lab, and with a very close collaboration with the Hong Kong Dr. Huang's lab in Hong Kong. Hope that answers the question.
Yes, thank you.
How much have you raised in the last? You have IDG as your investor, and how much do you plan to burn every year, cash burn?
For the specific number that I don't have clear pictures, since our CEO is not here, but I'm in charge of the R&D mostly. But for the first Series C financing, we raised around $14 million, and then we are doing the pre-A financing now, and then we aim for $15 million as well. So similar size of our Series C financing.
Any more questions from the judges?
Have you compared with other companies working on this synthetic biology-based antibacterial vaccine?
So in China, because we market several products, our goal is like the target is in China market. There are not many companies are doing this. So for China vaccine market, in bacteria, especially bacteria vaccines, I think we are the only company that is actually doing those synthetic biology technique in bacteria vaccine development. Of course, globally, there are a few other companies are doing a lot of those things, and we keep our updates very close with all those companies' developments.
All right, time's up. Thank you for your presentation, and thank you for your questions.